customer here. Yeah, we have pipe here that we're gonna have to get removed. It's cracked and leaking. But first we got this wiring in a really messed up line up here with the pipes. So we're gonna move all this and bring it this way. And so it looks like the wiring actually goes up here too, around the pipe. I think the main thing is that we don't want the wiring going from under the pipe. I got to get these out of the way. So we can take this one and just pull it off here, and just we can feed it over here. But then some of that's going to have to come all out of the way. So yeah, let's look at that. All right, just show the final cap. Then we close some boxes up just like so, and there we go. That pretty much does it. Now we're gonna have access to this pipe because we're gonna be cutting That's some major cutting to do here. I might try to cut from this side. All right, so we're now getting ready to cut this pipe out. I'm already cut some of it out here. Yeah, we're getting ready. We've already cut this length out, cut this off here. If you remember before, we did move the electrical around. So now we're getting ready to do this part. And all right, so let's get this started. We got to cut this T out. That's how the pipe looked. It was in really bad shape. All right, so we were able to cut out some more of it, but it looks like we're gonna have to cut in sections because it's so hard to get access to it. We still have to cut above that. I can't use that to attach a no hub to. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna need a flat surface. I need to get past this joint next. It's really hard to get to, so we're gonna have to. I can't reach it. I can't reach it to cut it. All this is in the way. There's boards behind this. Cement all around it. I'm gonna have to go through the side of the wood here and cut this wood open. That's the only way to get in there now. There is no other choice. And then probably have to put some wood back later. All right, so finally cut all the pipe out, all the bad pipe here. So now we're putting the couplers on, or the no hub rubber seals, which are going to hold up the cast iron to PVC. All right, so we got that up there, got that up there. And we had to do it from the cut a hole there and kind of do it all from the side there. So that's done finally. All right, now we want to this kind of is in the way here. Hopefully I can slide past that. They really did some bad, weird fucking plumbing here. I'm almost tempted to cut it and run PEX just to get it out of the way, but we'll see if I have to or not. So far it's looking good. All right, so Let's go ahead and get that PVC pipe in over here. Okay, here's my T, new T here, new pipes. So let's get these going. Let's get them started. Got to do some measurements. All right, so this is a continuation of the plumbing job that I was doing here. So we did this, and as you can see, we flushed it and ran water. It's perfectly dry. So it really worked, really sealed up. All right, so there's the T. Let's come around, kind of show what else we did, how we finished it up. So here it breaks up off the T, comes up, bop, 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 do a 90, and then up into the flange, and then there we go. Yep. So that's that. The flange right there is drilled down into the concrete. So there we go. That's what we came up with. And then this pipe wasn't used at all, so we just cut that. And then let's go upstairs. We'll show you the flange, what we're doing on that. Okay, give me 1 minute. I'll just finish this video. Alright, so here we go. So here's the flange at the top. And it's got, we drilled it down into the concrete. Like so. And then got to stuff it with paper for now, just to keep stuff out of it until we get ready to put a new toilet in we're going to put in. So that's it for now. We'll do another video concerning the toilet install later.